Okay. Okay, yes tayo na ating camera. Initializing everything. Okay, good evening, sir. Welcome po sa ating Saturday night basketball action. Second game for today night. No, this time around na pa sa ating pong kupunan po ngayon maglalaban-laban. Playing white and blue combination. The Sky Team versus of course Marooners po yan, or let's say State University Colors. Yan po ang cabin line. Okay, good morning po dyan. Good evening po sa inyo po natin kasi Abin G-Vlog si Ju. And now you're watching right now the game between cabin line versus the Sky Team. Before that, ano po ito? Itong po, liga naman lumilipad. Aviation Friendly Dub as the Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors, Thread and Needles and Team LBC Hanang Padala. Nandiyan po din po ang SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. Of course, ito po ang ating participating teams. Cabin 9, Hub, Oryx, Boleros, Effort United, CAS, Imprex, Mechanicos, Sky Team, and Freighters and QR Towers. JC Stark Eliminations, and saying for tonight now is Cabin Line versus the Sky Team. Sinasabi daw ang Cabin Line daw po, ito po ang apo ni Mechanicos. Okay? Anak po kasi ni Mechanicos ang Sky Team. Ito po ang naging apo na ngayon ni Mechanicos. Ang cabin line. Okay, apo. Apo na ng apo ni Mechanicos to. Okay, Gokotano, Enteng, Bertorico, Walter, Siena, Billy Siena, and number 21. Kabalaan po of course number 5, number 12, si Lorion, si Bullet, number 9, at si Kulang. At si number 23. Nags. Okay, laban po to. Okay. This is shows with you, Arvin G-Vlog si Ju. And you're watching the second game for tonight now between Cabin Line playing in Marooners or State University Colors versus, of course, ang the Sky Team. Maganda yun, eh. Okay, Laurion, number 12, nakuha ka first possession. Number 25, binababa ang bola. Number 23, against the ends, Billy Siena. Bala, no good. Okay, Walter, pinasa kagad. Okay, number 21, malakas. Number 7, malakas. Binababola, 25, was almost not the leather. Bala, Oren, number 25, Oren, 23, humingi ng bola. 23, binabambola, 23, driving strong. Against Enteng, nope. And 3-second violation called sa kanilang sentro, number 5. 3-second violation called on number 5 ng team Cabin Line. And of course, nandito po si Walter, number 5. Si Billy Siena, striving strong, pinasa kagad kay Billy, kay Walter, nandun si 21, no good, block, and pero nandun si Walter, 2 points. Number 5, Walter, bala, uminang bola, 25, Oren, number 12, big game pick, now 23, thinking 3, pops up, no good, rebound, battle won by Walter. Pinasa ka kay Bertorico, number 7, wala. Binababa ang bola kagad, binabang bola, 23, still completed, counter still completed, also by Oren, 23, pops up, 2 points, number 12. 2-all po tayo, 8 minutes remaining, Billy Siena, binabang bola, Billy Siena, number 23, 18, driving, nope, it's Walter, Gokotano, Enteng, wala, number 7 to Billy Siena, number 18, crossover, nice one by Billy Siena, vintage Billy Siena, drive. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Number 23, 25. Now to number 9. Bala, running shot. No good. Billy Shena naka-rebound. Shena naka-rebound. Nope, it's Enteng. Enteng, binaba ang bola. Enteng. Enteng. 2 points, Enteng. Enteng, 2 points. Oren, 25. 23. 23. It's number 21. Kumuha ng pick. Nandun si Enteng. Double teamed. Held ball situation. Okay, Sky. Bola daw po ng The Sky Team. Bola po ng The Sky Team po. Bola ng Sky Team. Walter inbounding. Yes. Again, balik muli po kay number 20. 21, rather. Enteng. Enteng driving. Nawala ang bola. Still completed. Still completed. Oren, naipit na naman. Sige, number 5. Number 5, kick pass. Nandun si 21. 21. Driving Shong. 21. Whoop. Billy. Pops up. 2 points. Billy, 2 points. Adala. Oren. Number 12. Sa ilalim. Butterfingers. Hindi nakuha ang bola. 5:51 remaining. Second liners po. Handaan nyo na po ang second liners nyo. Thank you very much po. Again, Mr. That's number 21. 21 driving strong. Nope. Pops up kay Enteng. Enteng. No good. Rebound Billy. Billy Shena. Behind pass. Enteng. Driving strong. Enteng pops up. Bank shot made by Enteng. Enteng, bank shot good. Adala to Oren to Bala. Ayaw. Adala muna. Adala driving show. Naipit ang konti. Oren. Kay Bala muna. Kay number 9. Bala pops up. Kapos. And change lineup po tayo. Change lineup after 5 minutes of basketball action. Laman po ng 8 ang The Sky Team. Okay, second liners po natin. Of course, si 13, si 18, si number 2, at si number 14 sa kabila. Of course, nandiyan si Abrigana, si number 10, si Riol, nandiyan na rin. Of course, nandiyan si Lakinilaw at si number 25. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by Abrigana, fade away shot. No good. Nandun pa rin. Dex, fouled. Yan ba yung trapal? Okay. Riol. Abrigana. Lakininaw. Pops up. Bang! Si din. Nothing but net. 2 points. Number 18. Pops up. Bank shot. No good. Rebound battle by number 24 to Abrigana. 2 points Abrigana. 2 points. Colanto. Number 14. Number 14. Binabang bola. Number 14. Wala na. Again. Oy! May foul kagad. Clayton. Kalayon pala. Again, mali. Foul called. Foul on Colanto, number 2. Colanto, number 2, called for a foul. Abrigana for the inbound. And to Arnel. Uy, wala tao. Hindi handa. Okay, binaba bola. Okay, nagtatrap na sila. Trapping. Nice D. Di nila kalinaw. Balik po tayo. The score is 3-10 to 15 ang score. Laman po ng 13 ang The Sky Team. Binababa ang bola. Colanto again kay number 18. Number 18 pops up. Wala. Rebound by the Red Shirts. Wala pa rin. Rebound again by the Red Shirts. And now pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola kay number 14. Dex. Kalayon. Walang pinasahan. Balik ang bola. Rep. Yung bata pa sana ilagay sana dito. Nasa bench kasi ba mapasahan ang bola. Intercepted. No good. No pass. 1:59 remaining. Abregana for the inbound to number 25. Number 25, binababa ni number 25 ang bola. That's Dex. Dex 25. What a play. Wala. Nice rebound. Nice rebound nga. Number 18. Pass to number 14. Number 2. No pass. No out of bounds. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. At a minute and 37 remaining. Royol for the inbound. Royol for the inbound. Okay, number 10. Out of bounds. Swipe away. Lacaninaw. Okay, easy 2 points na lang. Bilingin na lang. Easy 2 points. Royol, number 28. Nope, it's Dex. Ayan, hindi si Dex yan. Okay. Number 25. Wala. Touch last by the Red Shirts. Royol for the inbound. Royol. Nice one by Abregana. Abregana sa loob. 51 seconds remaining. 17-7 ang score po natin. Trapping kagad ang aga. Still completed. Abregana. Easy 2. Abregana easy 2. Manlangit. 14. Trapping again. Colanto lost the ball. Royol in the fray. Lacaninaw. No good. Tropa din eh. Okay, Lacaninaw shooting for 2. 24 seconds remaining. The score is 7-19. 12-point advantage by the Sky Team. Pops up. It's out. Second shot by Lacaninaw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, Lacaninaw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Dex, naka-rebound. Nakalusot. Dumuray. Pops up. Wala. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Swiped away. Abregana. Royol. 2 points for Royol. Royol, 2 points. Delgado. Malami ang pasa. Uy! Foul on number 38. Okay, that's it. White defense, maroon offense. Okay, cabin line for the offense. That's Bago, number 7. Bago, number 7. Si number 23. 31. Si 34 at si 26. Sa kabilang po, of course, nandyan si 87. Si 23, 30 si Josh. 3 points kaagad ang binanatan. And of course, with Enteng also. 3 points, 10, 21. Josh to Enteng. Enteng. Pops up, Koymax. No good. Adala, nilabas muna ang bola. Adala. Foul called.
Foul number 27.
27 called for the foul. 30. 23. 30 again. 23. Pops up. 34. Kapos. Koymax is in the ball game already. Koymax. Binababang bola ngayon. Binababang bola. Ito na po tayo. Driving strong. Josh. What? Lumipad pa rin yun. Kinapitan na. 23. Adala. Nako. No good. And whose ball rep? Red ball. Sabi. Red ball or maroons. Maroon ball. Adala. Number 30. Adala. Driving strong. Floater shot. Pasok ang bola. Adala. May pang pirouette And now Mr. Gokotano. Enteng. Down. Number 13 called for the foul ng cabin line. Josh for the inbound. Walter to Josh to Walter. Enteng sa ilalim. And one play bang binigay. Enteng sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola kay Enteng. Enteng, 42. Bonus free throw coming up. Pasok. Play completed. 24 na. Number 30. Binababa ang bola. Adala, number 23. Adala, bago. Kumuha ng pick. Adala, driving strong. Number 30. Adala again. Adala. Lumusot si Adala. Number 34. Pop! Stepping on the line. Nice D by Koymax. Koymax. Walter, number 8. Number 30. Koymax for 3. Bang! 3 points, Koymax. 3 points. Adala against Josh. Adala. Nice pass. Foul call on Koymax. Tropa din yun. Kaya magalala. Tropa yan. Bago, inbounding. Nope, it's number 30. Kick pass kay number 34. Pops up, Adala. No good. Rebound by number 23. Then to Gokotano, Enteng driving show. Wala. Same ball. 6:23 remaining sa ating second quarter action. 26-12. A 14-point lead advantage been enjoyed still by the Sky team. 23, wala, stripped away. Number 30, rolling pass, Adala, ipit, fadeaway shot, no good. Koymax, binabambo ni Koymax to Walter number 5. Walter. Driving strong. Walter pops up. Lost the ball. Koy Max. Now pass to kay Josh. Josh. Wala. Foul called. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 4 called for a foul. 24. Senyoson called for the foul. Number 23 for the inbound. Enteng sa ilalim. Enteng naman. Binabantayan ni Adala. And now Walter. Walter. Koy Max for 3. Malakas. Okay, balik muli po sa Maroon ng bola. Maroon. Nandun. Muntik na malakawan. Number 30. Binababa ang bola. Number 30. Number 30 na to. Senson pops up. No good. Tapos. Rebound battle won by Enteng. Enteng nga, the rebound. Rebound battle won by Enteng. Enteng. Binababa bola Enteng. Enteng. Binababa bola. Enteng. Gokotano. Enteng. 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 Foul. Okay, change 5 po tayo at 4. Iso, sinong lamang sir? Lamang po ang Sky Team sir. Ang tropa ni Enteng, lamang po. Yung tropang puti. Yung tropang puti po. Enteng Gokotano shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot jumpers ready. Uy. Number 5 po ng cabin line. Second 5 po ng cabin line. Pasok na po kayo. De Guzman, number 5, si number 16, si number 13, at si number 14. Kabilang po si Billy Siena, si 21, si number 5, si Riol. Number 7 at si Riol. Gokotano, 42, shooting for the second shot at 4:59 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Nothing but net. Okay, pasok si Enteng. Labas muna para kay Koy Max. Number 5. Kay 30. Binababa ang bola. Manlangit. Pops up. Kapos. So, masyadong malaki. Riol. Riol. Finger roll. Pasok. Riol, finger roll, pasok. 4:35 remaining. Manlangit, pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound, out of bounds for Sky Team. At 4:24 remaining, second quarter action. Binababa ang bola ngayon, binababa ang bola. Number 21, binababa ang bola. 21 from Riol. Riol, 21, now 21, binababa ang bola. That's Arnulfo. Nice one. Kay number 20. Nope. Again, one more time. And out of bounds. Same ball po tayo. Same ball, same ball. 3:54 remaining. 12:30 at 18-point advantage. Been enjoyed still by the Sky Team. Delgado pops up. Out of bounds. Almost. The ilalim. Delgado, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, binabang bola. Number 7, Bertorco. Bertorco, Eurostep, wala. Koy Max. Riol, sa ilalim. Nakuha ang number 14 ng bola. Counter steal. Okay, steal completed. Riol, foul called. Foul called. Number 8 called for the foul. Siena. Riol. Riol, 2 points. Navarro. Pops up, no good. Swiped away by number 30. 2:34 remaining. The score is 12-32 at 20-point lead advantage being enjoyed by the Sky Team. Sky Team now, stepping on the line. Stepping on the line, boss. Balik muli po sa marunong bola. Marooners. Marooners ball. Binabang bola, pops up, ayaw. Now to Mr. Calayon. Naipit ang bola, called for a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 21 called for a foul. 21, foul po si number 21. That's Ayolo. Pops up, number 30. No good. Riol naka-rebound. Billy Siena, binabang bola. Billy Siena. Siena. No good. Ayolo. Ayolo. No good pa rin. Siena. 2 points. Siena, 2 points. Foul! Iolo called for a foul. A minute and 30 remaining. Manlangit, nope. Delgado, humingi. It's Delgado nga. Delgado Suriol, pops up for 3, number 18, Kapos. Out of bounds. Billy Siena. Iolo, palpal. Out of bounds also. A minute and 8 remaining. 18. 30. 30. Binababa ang bola. 30. Intercepted. Iolo foul by number 30. Iolo for the inbound. Okay, yan na. Siena. Koymax. Iolo, no good. Binato agad kay number 30. Intercepted. Wala. Balik tayo. And now, Betros. No good. Number 7, air ball. 29 seconds. That's Betorico, rather. Jay Benaber's watching. Number 30, binababa ang bola. Pops up. Nope, it's 28. 30, number 14, pops up. Malakas. Rebound by number 5.
5 seconds.
Number 30, pinilit. Okay, that's it. Okay, halftime po tayo. Ang laman po is 12-34 at 22-point lead advantage being enjoyed by the Sky Team. Halftime tayo. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. 12:34 po tayo. Ang score points 12:34. 12:34 po tayo. At 22-point lead. Still enjoyed by the Sky Team.
Page?
Martin Evaristo po.
Martin pala ang nakalain.
Martin.
Pala.
Dalawa yan. Yung sa ano yun? Private yun. Sa
Ginagamit mo dito?
Martin Evaristo. Ba't sir?
Kasi yung ibang mga player nagtatanong.
Okay.
Share ko mo lang sa kanila. Dami palang kakapangalan mo, sir, no? Ano pangalan ng page?
Yung nasa aeroplano. Martin Evaristo. Ang anak ni Mekanikos, ako ni Mekanikos. Hindi, dami nila eh. Parang family sila eh. Family.
May ikon ba siya, sir? Qatar or something? Wala, no?
Alam, ano.
Daming lumalabas.
Facebook ba to?
Hindi. Kwan yan, sir.
YouTube?
YouTube yan.
Facebook sir.
Facebook!
Oh, Facebook.
Akala ko sa YouTube.
Facebook sir, Facebook mo.
Sige.
Martin Evaristo sir.
Okay pa. Yung lang na nasa Facebook yan, ha?
Nakalip sa Facebook tayo. Okay, second half pa tayo. Change po. Okay, now Arnel, number 10. Arnel, wow, dukot, wala. Balik tayo. And now, number 12, good ball. Number 12, binababa bola. Colanto, number 2. Walang point guard yata yun eh. Pops up, Adala against Abrigana. Oren, zigzagging. Nice trailing jump, Abrigana. Again, now number 10. Wala. One more time. Wala pa rin. Masyado malakas. And to bullet. Uy! Dandahan lang. Okay, binaba ang bola, Lakanilaw, number 24. And now to number 10, Arnel, Lakanilaw, Abrigana. Masyadong malakas kay Josh ang pasa. Josh. Anong nangyari? Namatay. Anong nangyari? What happened? Okay, Adala. Pops up. Ano nangyari, sir?
Napatay lang yung picture. Hindi naman nagkaroon.
Okay. Technical? Okay. 9 minutes remaining, 13-34. At 21-point advantage na enjoyed by Team Sky Team. Oren, kick pass kay Bala. Bala, pops up, no good. Rebound, Lakinilaw. Lakinilaw isang Colanto, Lakinilaw. Good ball, nice one by Oren. Nope, it's Arnel. Dukot, wala. Rebound, 23. 23, 25, Adala, dish up, pops up, sa ilalim, look, it's Bala, no good, rebound, Lakinilaw again, Lakinilaw, binababang ball, Lakinilaw, ayaw, muntik na, binabang bola, number 5, pops up, nope, Polanto, naka-rebound, Adala almost had it. 3-on-1 situation. Adala, malakas. Adala muli, 2 points. Okay, salamat dito. Okay, time out. Time pong team. Number 5. Adala.
14 shot clock.
Number 5, pops up. Kapos. Touch pass to Josh. Nope. Number 5 for the rebound. 23, pops up. Ayaw. Adala. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Again, rebound. Almost had it, pero still the ball will stay with the white shirts. No good. Palpal. Okay, foul on Colanto. Abrigana shooting for 2.
Number 2,
Abrigana shooting for 2 po tayo. Both basket made. 15-36 again at 21-point advantage been posted by team the Sky Team. Garcia. Kay number 14, yung cabin line, binababa ang bola. Kahayon. Garcia, wala. Rebound battle won by. Almost had it. And again, Abrigana. Wala, nawala ang bola. Good ball. Pinasa kay Kahayon. Foul called. Kahayon called for a foul. 6 minutes remaining. Third quarter action on the way. Royol, number 28. Abrigana. Royol, kumat. Wala. Royol, recovering, pops up. No good. No good. Kahayon against Abrigana, number 14. Kumat. Naku, hindi lang natsalon ni Solimbola. Number 5, number 7, Betriciso. Pops up. Wala. Abrigana recovering a ball. Now to Lakalinaw, number 24.
And the shot. 5.
No good. Wala pa rin. Nice rebound by Lakalinaw. Lakalinaw, binaba ang bola. Lakalinaw. Pinilit. Save. Maroon ball. Binaba ang bola now to Kahayon. 3 points. 3 points Kahayon, 1936, still a 17-point lead. And still enjoyed by team, the Sky Team. Scott. Emily pala. Abrigana. Pops up. In and out. 23. Wala. Nice one by rebound by number 5. Binatukan na bola. Nandun si number 7. Number 7. Bertorico. Wala. Garcia. 14. Pops up for 3 again. Nope. Royol naka-rebound. 4 minutes remaining. Royol. Malakas. Rebound by... Oh, may foul called.
Sa aplitasyon.
Pops up again. No good. Rebound. Enteng, binabang bola ng Enteng. Gokotano. Vintage Gokotano move. Bit bola. Hanggang sa hoop. Okay, now 3:30 remaining at 19:38. Walang pinasahan. Good ball. Good ball pa rin. White ball. Game. si number 5. Enteng. Riol. Sa ilalim. Oy! Traveling violation called ng Riol. Nadikit. No good. Binabang bola at still Kahayo for 3. In and out. Good ball. Oy, stepping on the line. Riol. Walter. Riol recovering. Riol sa ilalim. Binato agad. Bocotano. 2 points. Bocotano. Binato agad. Nandun si number 2. Foul called. Balik. Riol, power move. Ayaw, pops up. Wala. Adala. Delgado. Kahayon. Malakas. Number 5. 2 points, number 5. That's Navarro, 2 points. The big man. Number 28. Royol sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by number 5. Back-to-back rebound. Binababa ngayon. De Guzman to Kahayon for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Enteng. Balik sa maroon ng bola. Maroon ball. 33 seconds remaining. 19 seconds. 19 points. Still enjoyed by the Sky team. Three points. 23 seconds remaining. Enteng. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds.
12 seconds.
Adala. Pinasa agad. Pops up. Bang! Okay. Back to back points now. And wala na po. Out of time. Okay. After 3 quarters, laman po ng 14 ang The Sky Team, 26-40. Sky Team, lamang pa rin po.
Yung late point, yun ang mga yung...
Okay, you're watching right at the final game for this week. Sky Team versus Cabin Line. Of course, this is your aviation friendly doubles of flying. We'd like to thank the final sponsors, Freddy Nielsen team, PLBC tayo rin padala. Ang nagpadala, of course, nandito rin po ang SPB, ARA, and PSBQ. And of course, ito pa ating participating teams. And at the same time, the eliminations. And now, the final game now for today is Skyline versus the Sky Team. Number 23, 4th and final quarter po tayo, out of bounds. Yes, it's white ball. Nice guard duty. Gokotano Enteng to Riol. Riol, binababa ang ball ni Riol ang bola. To Billy Siena. Billy Mamaril. Abrigana, Riol. Abriol to Billy Siena. Kick pass kay Lakalinaw for 3. Malakas. Colanto naka-rebound. Down to si number 5. Same ball. Lost the ball kay number 5. Enteng inbounding. Lakalinaw. Kumuha Albrigana. Bang! Si din. Abrigana 2 points. Adala 8:59 remaining. Then to Oren, number 25. Oren. Number 30, De Guzman. Adala for 3. In and out. Colanto. Ayun, number 5. Wala. Sayang. Adala intercepted the ball again. Chance again to trim the lead. Double team already. Adala. Uy! Good ball. Hop. Okay, foul on number 30. Enrique is watching. Good evening po siya, sir. Shoutout po. Siena, binato. Walang kung sumalo. Nice pass si Siena. Binababang bola ngayon. Siena, harassing already. Oren nakalusot. Siena called for the foul. 25, pops up. No good. Nandun si Abrigana si Enteng. Nagmamadali. Enteng, lost the ball. Oren, Abdala. Nandun si 30. Ayun, wala pa rin. Rebound by Abrigana. To Gokotano, foul ko. Teka lang. Traveling violation yata ang tawag ng referee. Yung Jordan had 5 rings yata. 5 rings. Jordan 5 rings yata din. 5 rings. Adala 7:15 remaining. 3 points Adala 3 points. 29-42, a 13-point advantage enjoyed by Sky Team. Enrique, Boss Martin, shoutout kay Billy Siena. Yes. Lakalinaw, palpal, pero may pa sumabit, sabi ng referee. Sumabit si Colanto. Take 2 para kay Lakalinaw. 6:53 remaining. Boss Martin, shoutout po kay Amigo. Salamat. Okay. Shoutout po kay Amigo. Et Chavez. Sabi ni Enrique. Out. Rebound. Enteng. Wala pa rin. Kaya naman sila. Rumaratat na. Ayan na. Adala. Paid away shot. No good. Rebound battle. 1 by Siena. Stepping on the line nga lang. May coach sila. Oren, pops up. Kapus. Enteng, binababa ang bola ni Enteng. Enteng. To Abrigana. Pops up for 3. Malakas. Adala stepping on the line. Parang car park yun, Pag rumiripat, tinitig yung ling, Enteng, tumakat. Royol. Enteng naman. Dukot sa ilalim, pasok. Pasok. 5:59 remaining. Number 30, floater shot, wala. Enteng na rebound. Enteng, Gokotano, binababa ang bola. Enteng again, floater shot, Royol, 2 points. And a timeout called now by team, of course, the cabin line. Cabin line, nag-timeout na po ang cabin line. Laban na. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Sabi ni Bryle Diola, good luck Sky Team. Bryle mo. Nasa ka, Bryle? Bryle, where are you? Isang big man din pala to si Bryle. Naalala ko, ng Sky Team. Another big man. Bryle, where are you? Adala. De Guzman. Adala again. Adala. Naipit ang konti. Pass kay Kahayon. Ayun kay De Guzman. Kumat. Ayun. Nice one kay Bala. Hindi. One more time kay Bala. 2 points Bala. 2 points Bala. 31-46. A 5-15 point advantage. Nawalan ang bola. Mike. 2 points. Aray! Nasuklo pa ako, pambira. Sabi ni Bryle, duty boss. Tama na yan, duty. Yan sa pag-duty natin. Sa mga kasama natin dyan naka-duty ngayon. Enjoy mo na po tayo. Adala, kapos nga lang. Good luck sa Sky Team, sabi ni Bryle. And of course, naka-duty daw siya, kaya good luck na lang sa Sky Team. Duty boss, next game na lang. Bawas next game. Okay, sir, yes. Saan namin yan? Another big man ng Sky Team. Nice pass to Josh. 2 points. Josh, 2 points. Josh, 2 points na to De Guzman, number 30. 33, 48, 15 pa rin ba kalabangan po niyan? Oy! Okay, Adala. Nope, it's Garcia to inbound. Adala, thinking 3, wag muna raw. Adala. And now, sino papasahan nun? Walang pinasahan. 4:10 remaining. Lang yan, nasuklo pa ako. Koymax! 3 points, Koymax! 3 points, Koymax. Koymax, 3 points. Kahayon again. Pops up. Nope. Rebound, out of bounds. Care of Josh. Out of bounds, care of Josh. At 3:42 remaining. Bala, malakas ang pasa. Okay. Yolo to Kahayon to Bala rolling attack, no good. Garcia, wala pa rin. Bertorico called for a foul, a pushing foul. Bertorico The score is 33-51. Umalago na naman ng 18 puntos ang Sky Team. 3:22 remaining. Nako, no good. Ayan na siya. Koy Max huminang bola. Koy Max. Wala. Uy! Parang ba? Ano ba yan? Masyadong hyper.
Time out!
Time out! Time out! Cabin line. Red King. Okay, 3:06 remaining. The score is 33-51. Umalago muli po na 18 ang The Sky Team. Pops up. Josh, no good. Walang sumunod. Balik tayo. 2:59 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Still on the way. Binababa ang bola. Ito na po tayo. Walang pinasahan. Miscommunication again on the part of the cabin crew, cabin line. Number 10. Binababa ang bola. Number 10. And now to Walter for 3. Nope. Bala. Diniretso. Malalim. Puerto Rico pops up. 2 points. Puerto Rico 2 points. Number 12. Seyoson. Bala. 2 points again, Bala. Bala 2 points. 2:1:59 remaining. Arnel. In and out. Rebound. Sinoson again. Sinoson, number 34 to Bala. Wala. Hindi na silo. And to Iolo. No good. 1:40 remaining. I think safety basket na lang tayo at this point. Safety basket na lang po tayo. Number 21. Pops up. Out. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 21. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Power move. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 36. Wala. Binabang bola. Number 30, Josh. Wala. Out of bounds. Maroon ball. Kahayon. 2 points, Kahayon. Walter, number 5. Walter. Nice pass. Kick pass. Naging football ang basketball. Binato. 9:38. Stepping on the line. Let me see. Josh, 30 seconds remaining. Si Daisy. Traveling violation called. Walang pasaporte. Nope. Wala pa rin. Puerto Rico. Malakas. Okay, that's it. I think so. Okay, final score. Thank you very much po. Final score, Cabin Line and versus Sky Team. Winner po by 37 final score 37-53 in favor of Sky Team. Winner, Sky Team. Hindi na mabilang ha, teka. Yes. Okay. Winner by 16 points po ang Team Sky Team. Thank you very much. And be back po tayo po again sa Friday. Inside po natin po sa ating Basketball Action sa ating Aviation for Dub as a Flying League.